Let's make mutton liver in my style. Let's begin. Put some oil in a pan and add onion, green chili, and tomato. And cook it until it gets cooked in golden color. Add liver into it. I had kept it for marination for 5 minutes. If you want, you can keep it, or else you can add as it is. It's up to you. Then add spices like red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder. Add some salt, according to taste. Mutton masala, ginger garlic paste, and mix it well. If you see it's dry, then add some water and mix it again. You can put some lemon water on it if you like, and cook it for some time until meat gets cooked well. That's it. We are good to go. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching.
Please do like and subscribe to my small channel.
Thank you.